Hi everyone, welcome back to Eritra International. In this video, we'll be covering up how to make a statement of purpose, which is also known as SOP. Even if you are a beginner, we'll walk you through step-by-step process of how you can create a statement of purpose. So, let's get started. Alright, so at first we're gonna show you a brief about the guideline for writing a statement of purpose. So if we look at the definition of a statement of purpose, an SOP in short, is actually a key document in applications for universities, particularly for graduate programs. It outlines your academic background, professional experiences, and future goals, showing why you're a good fit for the program. So let me show you a guide on how to write an effective SOP. Now there are some format guidelines you have to follow for creating a statement of purpose. The first thing that we're going to show you is a font size for the paragraph, which goes around 11 to 12 point. Next up, the font size for sub-headline and headlines, which is around 12 to 18 max point. The font style is Times New Roman, Arial, or Calibri, which are the standard fonts required to create a statement of purpose. Next up is the spacing, which is 1.5 or double spaced. Length, 1 to 2 pages. Typically, it should go around 800 to 1000 words. And lastly, margins. You should have 1-inch margins on all sides. Now we'll explain you the structure of a statement of purpose. The first point is introduction. Here, you need to briefly introduce yourself, state your field of interest and why you're applying to the specific program or university. Highlight a key aspect of your academic journey that influenced your career direction. Now let me show you an example of how you can write this. Here is a live example of a statement of purpose, which is shown. Now, let's go back to our guideline where we're going to mention the academic background. Here we're going to discuss our undergraduate or graduate education and also mention relevant coursework, projects, or research experiences. You can also showcase any academic achievements and how they relate to your chosen field. Now we're coming back to the sample statement of purpose to show you how you can write this. Moving back to the guideline, if you have any professional experiences, you can include internships, work experience, or relevant volunteer activities. You should emphasize any leadership roles or responsibilities that help develop specific skills of yours. And you can also relate your professional experiences to your chosen field of study, which is really going to help you. Next, the point number 4 you have to follow is why you chose this country, program, or university. You need to explain why you are interested in this specific program. You have to mention faculty members, research opportunities, or unique aspects of the university that attracts you. Also, show that you've researched the program and how it aligns with your goals. Here I'm showing the live example from our sample statement of purpose. Here we have the purpose to choose Sweden, as we have mentioned Sweden here as we are using Sweden as our sample example. So we have mentioned purpose to choose Masters in Digital Business, which is a 2-year program. The next point is reason to choose this specific university. Here we have used Jönköping University of Sweden, and we have also explained why we chose this university. Coming back, now we're going to mention our future goals. We're going to discuss our short-term and long-term career aspirations, explain how the program will help us achieve our professional goals, and mention any broader contributions you want to make to your field or society. Here is the point of career plan or future plan, whatever you name it. And I've briefly explained my career plan and what I want to achieve and what my ambitions are in the near future. And moving back, lastly, the point is we have to conclude the statement of purpose. We have to summarize our intent, reiterating our passion for the field, and also end the statement of purpose with a positive statement expressing enthusiasm about the opportunity to join this program. There it is, mentioned. And lastly, you have to follow, which is very important. It is very important whenever you make a statement of purpose, is you actually have to follow a specific tone. The key points to follow are to be formal yet personal, avoid cliches and overly generic statements, and reflect your journey genuinely and showcase your motivations and passions for the subject. We'll be putting the guideline of writing a statement of purpose and also our sample example that we wrote in the description below. You can check it out and you can get it for free. Please like, share and subscribe to this video and follow us for more. And that'll be all for today. Hope it helps you in your future. Thanks for staying with us. Take care.